everyone. I want to tell you this story about flood. It was raining for weeks. Mom said, "Let's take Floppy for a walk," but Beef and Chip didn't want to go. At last, Beef said she could go with Mom. But Horse was flooded. I was worried. And school was closed. So Beef and Chip is very bored. So then that night the water go to Beef Chip Keeper's house. Beef and Dad was worried about flood. When he go downstairs, the house was flooded. Mom, Beef, Chip, Keeper see the flooded house. They are very upset. Next morning, they went up to Big Hall. There are lots of people there. They meet Biff and Wilma. Keeper didn't want to sleep in Big Hall. "I miss my home," he said. The next day, Gran came to the hall. She said, "You can stay in my house when flood goes down." "Hooray!" said Keeper. "It'll be much fun at Gran's house." They came back home when flood is over, but the house is a mess. "Oh, I hate this," said Keeper. "Oh well," said Dad. "Bad things like this happen sometimes." And then he gave Beef, Chip, and Keeper a mop. Mom smiled. "And do you know what important is? We are," said Mom. "I hope you enjoyed this story, Flood. I'll come back with new stories. Bye!"